Here is the first measurement of this year using winter mode of Apivox Smart Monitor. Moss pillows have already been laid. Moss is clearly visible inside it. A window has been cut in it and now measurements can be made through it. We see that winter mode is already set. Diagnostics speaks of the normal state of wintering family and the presence of in-hive works. It is possible that this is the work on distributing feed between family members. That is, the bees are still quite active. It is clear that there is no honey collection and cannot be, and this means that the bees simply open the cells of side frames and transfer honey to the nest. Now let's look directly at the signals in the monitoring mode. Here we see a picture of the signals. The worst thing is when a single bee hums near the microphone during the measurement. Such a bee can knock off all readings. Therefore we use delay interval and long measurement. In this hive bees are very calm. This is a common picture when the family has a good wintering. And here is a slightly strange signal around 200 Hz. It seems that if we will carry out the control using brood control mode of the device, then we will see the diagnostics corresponding to the presence of a certain amount of open brood. Unfortunately, it is now impossible to open the hive. Bees are very angry. And here is the result of brood control. Signal is not far from the zero line, but it is present. There are red caps indicating the presence of brood care. Although now it is late autumn and there should be no brood, it is possible that this family needs personal control. In other families, this signal is absent. The second hive gave just the same diagnosis. Normal state of wintering family. But there is a small emergency heating signal. It is possible that this is due to the fact that we disturbed the bees by controlling the mites drop. Brood control in the second hive. We see a bold white stripe. There is almost no red. Although the graph is also close to the zero line, we can say that there is no open brood. Third family. Also normal. The bees are slightly warming. In general, everything is good. This is the result of brood control in hive 3. It is also clear that there is no talk of any brood. The signals are of course weak, but the result is quite clear. It seems that now we see the reason why our measurements can give a strange diagnosis in this case. In fact, diagnostics cannot be carried out. The first rule has been violated, good audibility of bee signals. The screen displays an exclamation mark on a red field. This suggests that the signals of bees are too weak. Weak so that measurement cannot be made. The bees in the hive behave so quietly, and we hear them so badly that any extraneous sounds and rustles, mixing with the true signals of bees, can make the results of control unreliable. When we see such weak signals from a large colony, we can say that the bees are very calm, and since we still can see the signal, we can talk about a good and calm state of the colony. The bees are alive and well and have enough food. But since we see their signals, and not interferences, despite the fact that the bees sit very quietly and do almost no work, we can talk about the good condition of wintering colony and that everything is in good order with them.